Hi, this is not a video like I normally do, but I wanted to go through my entire makeup process today, and I just needed to film an intro where the finished look is already here, so you don't get jump scared by my normal without makeup, like really unclean face. And I'm gonna send you to that one right now. So we're gonna have to do some microphone on t-shirt action here because I definitely need both my hands. But yeah, makeup. We're gonna start with my foundation, of course, because I have unclear skin, and my probably favorite advice for YouTube would be like, look okay, and I don't do that. Don't look at my older videos, but I'm here to do my makeup, so we are gonna use the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This is something that I would never ever actually use in my personal life, because I'm pretty sure like one bottle of this is $90, and I'm not paying that, like the price of literally a full tank of gas for my car just to like do my makeup. But this got gifted to me, and so I have to wear it somehow. I also really do not like how this foundation actually looks. It looks good on camera, and we're gonna get into that later. But the thing is that, I don't know, it is very dry. It has this look to it where, I don't know, it kind of dries in, and then after a certain while it just shows all the creases in my skin, and I do not really care for that, you know? But I still have to use it for something, and that's why I use it for my camera makeup. So yeah, I am going to apply this to my entire skin, and then we're gonna look what we're gonna do next.
Woohoo! Voice over because I'm too lazy to do any like background music over here. I already have to apologize for every bit of audio in the segment with the microphone on my shirt, because for some reason that audio always gets like really weird, and so I had to use like an audio cleanup tool, which makes it sound like I'm in like a hollow room and it's echoing everywhere. But still, anyway, and by now, the segment should hopefully be over. I don't know, I have to stop recording, bye.
So as you can see, I have now applied my foundation to the entire face, and I don't know if the camera even like picks up on my like skin irritation still, which like that's the whole entire thing while I'm doing this. So, but we're still gonna go over the skin irritations I still see with this concealer. And this one is the Essence Multitask Concealer. I think, yeah. I do also not use this in my daily life. This is not exactly my shade, just with the foundation. And it's also a little dry for my opinion, and it doesn't really cover it up correctly. But again, for camera purposes, because everything that goes on, again, we're gonna get into it, I think this still looks okay, and I also don't really want to waste any product, so I still use this for camera makeup, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go over all the irritations still with this concealer, and then we're gonna get back to it.
Another voiceover. Well, I have to say that from the viewer's perspective, after I'm done with this, I still have like these really weird scabs on the left side of my face, which is horrible because I have been dealing with my skin breaking out like really severely over the last few days. And I swear I have not seen those in the viewfinder or in that mirror, or else I really would have put more effort into covering them up. So I'm sorry you have to look at them for the entire day, which is ruining the entire makeup, but like, sorry, yeah.
Okay, so I'm now finished with the concealer. I don't think you've really seen anything change, but basically now the base is done. And from here, I can go into like two different directions, which is more the like normal quote unquote look, or the like more experimental look that I have done in more recent videos. The normal look is something that would resemble more something I would actually go out with. Again, I would never actually go out with this makeup because I don't like it. But I will do it for camera, but it resembles something also that I would technically wear for school, and I do look like this for school, just with like other makeup utensils. And the more experimental side is something where I really want to like, I don't know, just do something different with my makeup. I want to experiment with it. I also probably wouldn't wear it in public because I am a little bit scared of like sticking out. I don't know. I especially when I like go to school or something, I just don't really want to do it, but I've done it in more recent videos. And today I want to go for the more normal look, but like with a few accessories. just because then we have like a happy middle ground or something, and I can show you what I have in most of my videos. For that, we are going to use this blush. This is the Essence Baby Got Blush Stick. I think my mom got this for me somewhen, and I use it for my videos. Also, I probably wouldn't use this in day-to-day, but I have used it in day-to-day before. And this is a liquid blush, and I normally prefer a blush stick, but I have used this before because I really like this color. So maybe I should just buy a blush stick that has this color, but it's this really pretty pink. And yeah, basically I will also apply it here, but the fact is that normally I would not really like do as much as I probably will do here. I'm just gonna have to put this away, but it doesn't really matter on camera because, just like I said before, the camera just probably won't pick up on certain things, because fact is that my camera, I think, films on 30 FPS in HD. Also, I don't use a camera, I use my phone. I don't know why I keep saying camera. But then I'm gonna have to airdrop it to my tablet to cut it in CapCut, so I have to import it there. And CapCut is then gonna export it at HD, but in 60 FPS. So there is a like other version there, and so I probably think there is gonna be something done to the footage somehow. And then I have to upload it to YouTube, which is gonna compress the footage and also then upscale it to HD again, which is also gonna make the footage murkier. And also there's probably like a lighting thing, because I'm not filming this with the best lighting in any case. So the makeup on camera will never look as it will do in person. So I think you just, if you want to actually like film a video like with makeup on, you just like have to film one. Like I also did gradually. I used to film without makeup, but then I realized I want to look pretty on camera too. Because for some reason I originally wanted to be real and now I don't want to do anymore. But yeah, so I think you really just have to try one out, and then you're gonna see what your lighting setup looks like and what your camera / your editing software / YouTube will do to your footage. And I think it will come out pretty okay, because again, it's gonna be compressed and everything. And also I think cameras are nowadays like doing something with AI to the footage. Not necessarily like in a good way, but I don't think the actual way we look at each other in like real life is this HD as we are on camera. I just think there's something, I don't think we really look at us in like that high of definition. So yeah, but we have applied the blush now. I don't know why I keep saying we. I'm not like some makeup guru. I'm not Jeffree Star or anything. But then I'm gonna use some mascara. I don't even know what brand this is. This says Deborah Milano 24 or Instant Max Volume Extra Black Mascara. I got this from TK Maxx in the clearance section for like €3 because I'm a cheap hoe. I'm gonna buy the cheapest things ever. And I have actually used it in my day-to-day makeup, but now I have new mascara that is technically supposed to last longer, but for some reason, whenever I use mascara, it seems to like wear off instantly, and then I'm gonna have black rings around my eyes. And I'm sorry, but I don't want to stand in the school bathroom and reapply some concealer just to like get the mascara stains off. I don't even know why the mascara stains keep happening. It's just something I always run into. So I have actually like stopped wearing mascara at school, but I still do it for the videos because it is in shorter stints, as well as I'm also doing it for like outside events or something, because I'm not there as long as I am in school, and then it doesn't wear off as quickly. But I really hate that but that's like my problem with mascara. But yeah, I don't know why actually anybody would want to know that is watching this video. I actually also like don't really know why I'm making this video. But I also like really don't know what videos to make right now. And I kind of still want to like build, or no, oh my god, I'm having so many problems with this mirror right now. I hate it. But basically, yeah, I want to build something with YouTube where I basically can, oh my god, that's not gonna look good. Where I basically can like talk about everything, because I am pretty talkative, that's the word, about many things. And so yeah, we're gonna have to remove the stain a little. If you don't see a stain, then that's probably my footage being compacted. I should stop filming at night. But yeah, I basically want to talk about everything and anything. And recently I just think I have really like slotted myself into the like book niche. But I still want to get back to like talking about more stuff. But I also don't want to do commentary. And like recently my friend Sunny suggested me doing a video about my makeup. So now I'm going to do that. Anyway, I have applied the mascara. I also don't know if you're going to see it because the footage. But now I am going to do a little like something extra. I have this eyeliner. I'm not using eyeliner in my makeup normally because I am shitty at applying it, but I like it for drawing on my face, which is what we're gonna do now. So basically I thought about the other video what I did when I had like those like crosses next to my eyes. And now I think I'm just gonna go for like a triangle under the eye. I don't know if that's gonna work, but like, I mean, you're gonna see. So yeah, I'm so shitty at this, so I'm gonna stop talking while I'm doing this, but you're gonna see what I'm doing. So yeah, one is a little messier than the other one, and both are totally misaligned, but I did something, and I think that's the goal or anything, but whatever. Next step is lipstick. I have a lot of different lipsticks I use in my videos, but today we're gonna do this one. This is like a berry boost or something, whatever it says on it, and I have no idea what actually the brand is. Maybe that's the brand, I have no idea. But my sister got this for me from her trip to London, and I really like this lipstick technically because it has like the coloring and the effect and like the look of one of those like heavier plumping lipsticks and with like a heavier color, which I really like. But I don't like this applicator. So yeah, I don't know about this, but I like it in the video, and so we're gonna apply it out. Obviously I need to stop talking, but anyway.
Wow, I'm really deep throating that lipstick here. This video was such a bad idea.
So yeah, the lip gloss is applied. I'm probably gonna get lip filler someday. I don't know why I'm saying this here, but like, I just look if my lips like look a little fuller. I just like that, and yeah, I don't know. But basically, in terms of makeup, this is it. And now I am gonna put on another shirt, and then we're gonna see what I'm gonna do with my hair, as well as in terms of accessories, and then that would be it for the look of a typical video of mine. So yeah, this shirt technically says, oh my god, I don't know if I can, like, whatever. It technically says keep calm, I'm gay, but that's like really the point. I just want to have another shirt that is not my pajama shirt, but yeah, it's supposed to show the filming process, so whatever. And then also I ripped off my bandana because but I don't know why I'm terrible at dressing. I'm terrible at anything, as you can see in this video. I'm not good at makeup. And I'm not good at YouTube since I'm filming this for content. But yeah, we're gonna do accessories now. The first thing I am gonna do is this like pentagram necklace. I used to wear these a lot in school when I was like in 10th grade and really went to my edgy phase. And I don't do that anymore. Also, I got asked in my class why I was wearing the Star of David. You know, the like symbol that was used by the fascists to round up Jewish people. And like, this is a pentagram, right? I'm pretty sure it is, because if I was wearing that thing, I would want to know about that. But I got asked that, and I just hope that the people are wrong and not me. Then I obviously also need another pair of earrings. I have chosen these two. Why I say another pair of earrings? I recently got like another pair of earrings like shot, or like I got new earring holes, whatever. I don't know what to call them, because we had a lesson in school canceled and we just went shopping, and that shop had like, you can get earrings here, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get a second earrings. A friend of mine also got them. I didn't want to do it alone, so but yeah, I now can't take these out for 6 weeks, so we're gonna have to do my usual ones as well, and then I'm gonna have 4 earrings in, and yeah.
The fun thing about my new earrings is that I did actually take them out the next day, and now one of them is not going back in, so yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah, so I'm having trouble getting the second earring in for some reason, and I do not want to accidentally like break the skin, because again, the second one, I don't want that hole to get infected. So I am gonna leave it out, which is unprofessional, but nothing on this channel is professional, so who really cares? And anyway, In terms of other things I still have to do, I have to do something about my hair, obviously. It doesn't look good in this way. It also doesn't look good in any other way, and I'm not really good at styling my hair. I've never learned that. I've just grown it out and ever had it like this way. And as you can see in most of my videos, I mostly just have it straight down. And then in some videos I have it in some kind of formation, but that's probably just when I have a bad hair day. Not that I also don't film on bad hair days and just have the hair down. Sometimes I just don't care. But anyway, today I wanted to try like 2 pigtails basically, but also I still have this beanie that I'm pretty sure I got from my sister when she was like still in her cool girl era, before she got into like her trendy girl era and threw out all her like rock and grunge clothes and everything, and now I have all this stuff and I've never styled it before, but I wanted to try today. Everything is a first and everything is on camera, but yeah, we're gonna do that.
Woohoo! Last voiceover. I cannot wait to be done with this. Oh my god, I absolutely hate looking at my face and like side profile. I cannot tell you how much I hate that. I mean, I hate everything about my body and my face and whatever. And oh my god, now I have stopped the slow-mo and I'm looking at myself. Oh god.
Yeah, I think this thing is clashing with like the entire aesthetic, and I'm sure I have a black one still somewhere. I also don't really like to wear like beanies and hats and everything because I I don't know, I just don't know what to do with my hair mostly, and I don't want to get in my face because I'm afraid they will mess up my makeup or will get found like makeup stains on the hats themselves. But I liked the look for this video, and anyway, again, this was just a thing that I did because I didn't know what to film anything else, and if you liked it, then I don't know, maybe subscribe or something. I really I don't know. I don't know if I say I like doing this video. I just did this because I didn't have anything else to film. But I think it's I like a look behind the scenes in my filming process. Normally I like do this behind like the mirror back in the other corner, but this one is my filming corner of the room. What the hell? Why is my English so bad in these last few videos? So I had to do it here. And anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope to see you in another video, maybe with more book content, maybe with some other content. I also think I'm gonna film with Sunny again somewhere next week, so expect like maybe a video then of us two doing something. And yeah, I hope to see you again, and bye.